In this video, I'll show you how to protect your TikTok account from hackers using two-step verification. First, make sure your TikTok app is updated and you're logged into your account. Now open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Security and Permissions. Here, you'll find the option for two-step verification. Tap on it. Now you need to select at least two verification methods, like your phone number and email. This adds an extra layer of security whenever you log in from a new or unrecognized device. After selecting the methods, tap on Turn On. Then enter your phone number and tap Continue. You'll receive a verification code. Just enter it to confirm. Once this is enabled, your account will be much more secure because TikTok will always require an extra code during login. And that's it. This is the easiest way to protect your TikTok account from hacking or secure your TikTok account from unauthorized login attempts.